Hey guys, today we'll bring you our new smart wireless solution. In this video, we'll share with you what this smart wireless can do and what's to come in future. The internet nowadays has become a global means of communication in our everyday lives. For a laptop, one of the most important ways to connect to the internet is through Wi-Fi. But even if it is fixed in one place, the Wi-Fi we choose to connect to might be different. The same Wi-Fi may be assigned to different routers. The same router also transmits Wi-Fi signals at different frequencies. As a portable device, laptops have a major place in our living space. The location of the laptop is constantly changing, often appearing in most disturbing public places. So how come the Lenovo's laptops can bring seamless user experience in a complex environment? To make it happen, Lenovo engineers spent half a year on research and development, climbing from the second floor underground to the sixth floor more than 2,000 times in recent tests alone. Finally, we have smart wireless technology. In computer networking, a wireless access point, or more generally just access point, is a network hardware device that allows other Wi-Fi devices to connect to a wide network. It is a bridge between wireless network and a wide network, equivalent to the hub of wide network and a unified network interface to connect all wireless devices. Air is like the network cable used for connection. The length of a network cable is actually the range of the signal at this infinite access point. For small spaces, usually a single AP, also known as a router, is enough to cover the signal of the entire space. However, for large span structures like office buildings, schools, or large stadiums, one AP is not enough. So in this case, we need multiple APs to form a Wi-Fi network. It's kind of like a restroom. No way there's only one restroom in a 5-story shopping mall. It's not easy to find and queue up. So all we need to do is find the nearest AP and connect to it. If the laptop starts moving, wait until AP is disconnected and reconnect to another one. It sounds like there's no issue for us to solve, but the coverage of AP is not dead zone free, like stairwells, elevators, and other weak signal areas. So if you just walk out the building 8 to building 1, Wi-Fi connection drops out, then reconnects. Sometimes that's just the nature of wireless connection on Windows. A drop on Wi-Fi signal needs to be fixed by reconnecting. Unfortunately, when it comes to reconnecting, Windows will simply stick around and try to reconnect at fixed intervals. Eventually, it connects, but it might take half an hour. So when you step out of the elevator, walk into a meeting room, and open your laptop, you have to manually reconnect to the Wi-Fi. Simply like you break up with someone, it's not easy to get back together again. Then how to win her or him back? All we need to do is try as hard as we can to fix this broken relationship. When your laptop gets disconnected from Wi-Fi because of weak signal, smart wireless will help try to reconnect constantly at exponentially decreasing frequency, even stepping up to restore the connection when you boot up and log in. Also, when you find some abnormal network disconnection, like something wrong with the AP router or network hard drive bug, smart wireless can help diagnose and solve network-related problems. To be able to do that, one key factor is when to reconnect, at what frequency, and how long it will last. After all, if you keep trying to connect repeatedly, it will affect power consumption and battery life. So it is very necessary to build up a model with the best effect and the least impact on battery life. After more than 2,000 experiments from the second floor underground to the sixth floor, Lenovo engineers managed to make our laptop connection 35% faster than it would have been without it, and it resolved 74% abnormal network connections. You are never without the internet, always connected and ready to go. The good news is, smart wireless will be installed on a new generation of Lenovo laptops. It will help recover quickly after network disconnection, and also solve most of the disconnection problems. Also, it can help users choose network access points wisely, detect and alert connection security problems. And it helps optimize network data transmission bandwidth, so that users' most important applications that are currently using can get the fastest network access. Through fast, stable, and safe wireless network access and communication, smart wireless is aiming to help everyone connect from one another in a more convenient way. That is all for today's smart wireless. If you find the information in today's video useful, please feel free to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and ring the bell so that you don't miss out any new features. If you have any questions or suggestions about smart wireless, drop them into the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.